Hello, this is Janet Taylor, better known as Organizer Janet, for your organizing tip for the day. Today I am in the kitchen, and guess what? I have found the perfect product for you, especially if you don't have a lot of counter space, but you've got to keep those dishes nice and dry. And it is a dish drying rack that actually rolls up. So if you're a minimalist, if you're downsizing, or if you just don't want that bulky stuff on your kitchen counter, then this is the product for you. So check it out. So as you've seen, I've got some dishes drying here, and what I can do is just place them on the side once I am done, which is just perfect because look at, sometimes you don't have a lot of counter space, especially if you're living in the city like I am, and you can just roll it up. And of course, if you've got vegetables that you want to rinse out, you can put them on here as well. You roll this up and you can put it underneath your cabinet, or once it's dry, you can just stick it in the corner. And look, now you have, once you remove your dishes, you've got all your counter space to chop up your vegetables. So this is Organizer Janet. And of course, you can always visit me on the web at janetmtaylor.com, or, click below to connect with me. So until next time, you have a clutter-free day.